These laser weapons can quickly destroy different drones while being very cost-effective. One shot costs about $1. Cheapness and efficiency are achieved thanks to the technology of solid-state sources of coherent radiation. The laser allows to fight not only drones, but also small speedboats. Zero-lead homing is an additional advantage. At that, the beam can't be seen without special devices. The attacked object is heated to several thousand degrees, after which it is destroyed. With this new advanced capability, we are redefining war at sea for the Navy, said the commanding officer of the ship USS Portland, on which this system was tested. This military E-mobile was presented by specialists from the United States. The development is characterized by several interesting solutions, including 4 electric motors with a total output of 590 horsepower, excellent sealing, the vehicle can be immersed in water up to 3 feet for 30 minutes, improved cooling system for low heat signature, flexible remote control options for both the vehicle itself and the weapon systems, and Kevlar-reinforced tires. Thanks to its modular design, the vehicle can be retrofitted for specific tasks. For example, you can install a platform for a UAV. The payload is 1,250 pounds, and the range on a single charge is about 150 miles. Depending on the equipment, charging takes from 2 to 19 hours. You can literally throw this robot into a danger zone. It can withstand a fall to concrete from a height of 16 feet. Considering its weight of only 6.6 pounds, it can easily be operated by one person. It has excellent maneuverability and flotation ability. It can turn on the spot, roll over, and pass obstacles up to 7 inches high. 4 cameras with zoom and illumination, as well as audio transmission systems, allow an operator to assess the situation. Thanks to the U-Point system, the operator can control several robots at the same time, and the Wave Relay Manet technology provides a reliable signal even in difficult areas, such as deep water. Next up is a German active protection system that's attracted the interest of the US Army. According to its creators, there are more and more threats to ground equipment, so upgrading protection becomes a matter of paramount importance. According to the idea, the system provides protection against rocket-propelled grenades, anti-tank missiles, and similar threats. It consists of several armored modules that are placed in different parts of the carrier platform. This makes it possible to mount the system on a variety of vehicles, from trucks to tanks. The system is capable of repelling several simultaneous attacks, even from 33 feet away. A combination of active and passive protection helps minimize the damage and impact of attacks. In addition, successful electronic solutions make the system much less noticeable to various detection systems. Here is another product made in Germany, an amphibious vehicle designed to ferry tanks and other equipment across water obstacles. The amphibious vehicle is 42 feet long and weighs 26 tons. It can reach 50 miles per hour on land and 9 miles per hour on water. It's about 22 feet wide with the side floats unfolded. In the water, the vehicle's quite maneuverable. For example, it can turn around on the spot. However, the most impressive feature is the quick docking capability. It takes less than 9 minutes to set up a full mobile bridge that can withstand even tanks like the Challenger 2 and the Leopard 2A6. Experts from Israel also offer a whole range of solutions to protect various classes of ships, including submarines, from acoustic torpedoes. We want to highlight in particular the following systems. Torbuster. a device that combines a submarine decoy system and a torpedo destroyer. When activated, it moves away from the submarine and begins to emit acoustic signals that mimic the signals of the torpedo homing system reflected from a submarine. After approaching the torpedo, the device is detonated. Scudder is a device for countering torpedoes with active, passive, and combined homing systems. Many features are taken into account in signal generation, including the Doppler effect. And the Subscut is a drifting device for jamming and influencing the acoustic homing systems of torpedoes. It can monitor acoustic signals and generate false signals in response, as well as imitate submarine sounds. Canadian engineers also impress us with their achievements. According to them, this exoskeleton will come in handy not only for the military, but also for civilian specialists. The model was so successful that the engineers have already signed a contract with the US Department of Defense. The key feature of the exoskeleton is the generation of electricity while walking. The advantages of the solution are obvious. Lighter batteries can be used, exoskeleton operating time increases, and mobility is enhanced. According to available data, the power of the generated current is about 10 to 12 watts. This is enough to accumulate energy in an hour to charge 4 smartphones. The exoskeleton also reduces the load on the legs when walking and jumping, and one version weighs only less than 2 pounds. We also have something interesting for aviation enthusiasts. Here is a multi-purpose helicopter by Sikorsky and Boeing specialists, which was conceived as a replacement for the famous UH-60 Black Hawk. As of early 2022, this helicopter is being actively tested. In particular, in January, it developed a speed of 272 miles per hour in horizontal flight, which is about twice that of an average helicopter. The layout of the model is very unconventional. It has a twin-screw coaxial carrier system and a pusher propeller in the tail, based on Sikorsky X2 technology. According to available data, the helicopter will be widespread around 2035, and the engineers are confident that they're making the fastest and most maneuverable assault helicopter in history. Let's return from the skies to land to check out a whole family of autonomous combat vehicles. They can be customized for a variety of tasks, from reconnaissance and evacuation to fire cover. These are different models. The XT is a solution for escorting troops. It covers 466 miles with a payload of 2,200 pounds without refueling. The SP is a compact and low-profile version with seats, useful for aid, such as casualty evacuation. And the UGV-S is a surveillance and reconnaissance complex with an optronic equipment unit. It's possible to fit it with various weapon systems, for example 70mm missiles. Each vehicle is networked with special software which has been developed for efficient control. Here's yet another autonomous concept. This time we have a high-precision missile system. However, experts note that human intervention is possible at any stage. The system is capable of destroying an object at a distance of up to 185 miles, works in any weather and time of day. 2 versions are available, one for launch from ships and the other, based on the Spider anti-aircraft missile system, for launch from land. The system is able to automatically detect and recognize targets, while providing the possibility of synchronized attack. The guidance system utilizes deep learning and AI algorithms. Missiles are resistant to electromagnetic interference. The weight of the warhead is 236 pounds. The creators also point out that one hit is enough to neutralize a frigate. Augmented reality systems are a popular area for military developments as well. In particular, back in 2021, Microsoft received a contract from the US Army to supply devices called IVAS. Technically, IVAS is a modified version of HoloLens AR glasses. Some of the options of this new gadget are a thermal imager, a map and compass, a night vision system, target search and guidance system, civilian and enemy soldier identification system, and various auxiliary applications. Users will also have access to the Microsoft Azure cloud platform. The idea is that the device will enable soldiers to fight and train on a single platform, and cutting-edge technology will give them an advantage on the battlefield. And here is one of the most powerful unmanned vehicles, according to the SENA portal. Meet the Russian Uran-9. This military robot was designed to protect personnel, and it can be equipped with the Attacker guided anti-tank missiles, a 2A-72 30mm automatic cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and a Shmel flamethrower. The robot has an interesting feature. Although it can search for targets on its own, the decision to hit them is made only by the commander. Together with the operator, he's located in the control center built on a Kamash truck chassis with a range of 2 miles. And if 4 robots are used simultaneously, the range is increased to 4 miles. Next in line is a state-of-the-art sensor-to-shooter system, capable of creating an entire tactical network. It uses artificial intelligence to process massive amounts of data and determine who should attack a particular target and with which weapon. Many variables are taken into account, including types of weapons, coordinates, and munitions characteristics. The manufacturer is sure that this system will reduce the risk of friendly fire incidents, ensure more effective battle management, improve situational awareness, and optimize munitions usage. The system does not depend on GPS, and special software allows you to work with 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional images, as well as augmented reality technologies.